Gimme 10 Foam Roller for Deep Tissue Massager for Muscle and Myofascial Trigger Point Release. 13 inches x 5. 25-inch diameter, heavy-duty ABS hollow core muscle roller with triple grid massage zones to mimic a physical therapist's finger, palm, and thumb. High-performance, medium-density EVA foam massage roller soothes the back, leg, quad, hamstring, it band, foot, fascia, calves, hip, shoulder, fingers, forearm, reduces scar tissue and cellulite. The original body roller high-density foam roller massager for deep tissue massage of the back and leg muscles, self-myofascial release of painful trigger point muscle adhesions. 3D textured rollers measure 12.5 x 5.5 inches with triple massage zones to replicate the fingers, thumbs, and palms of the human hand. Roll before and after your workout at the gym, Pilates, or yoga to condition and stretch muscle tissue and remove painful trigger points. 321 strong foam roller medium density deep tissue massager for muscle massage and myofascial trigger point release with 4K ebook. 12. 75 inches x 5. 25-inch diameter, lightweight yet rugged solid core massage roller with EVA tread and triple grid 3D massage zones mimics the finger, palm, and thumb of a therapist's hands. Medium density muscle roller is comfortable to use, making it easy for beginners, but still effective at penetrating the soft tissue layer of tired muscles. Soft enough to use while in pain from lower back injury, sciatica, or plantar fasciitis. One of the best recovery tools to treat muscle pain, increase performance and flexibility. Rolling before and after exercise is part of a great stretching routine. Increases blood flow to massage site, flushing away stored lactic acid. Stretch overworked and strained muscles of the leg, arms, and feet by rolling during your warm-up and cool downs. Provides instant benefit to the hamstring,